Well, the Irish stars of the silver screen gathered in Dublin tonight for the IFTA Awards. Kerry's Jessie Buckley took the Best Actress honour for her performance in Hamnet, and Ciarán Hinds received a Lifetime Achievement Award.
Oh, it's very emotional for me to be home. Yeah, because this is the place I grew up in, and you know, Stephen Rea, Ciarán Hinds, Cillian Murphy, Brenda Fricker, Daniel, like the amount of talent that's in that room, and to be part of this community. And I've learned from so many people in that room, and to be recognised for telling the story of a mother in Ireland and all her strength and tenderness and the precipice of life and death and love that she has means the world, because I love mothers and I love women, and I'm so proud to be here to be recognised for this incredible mother, Agnes, and this film, Hamnet. I love you all.
I feel, I think as I said before, it's rather embarrassing to be lauded in public. It's all right, quiet word of praise is kind of nice, but it's, and at the same time, yes, it's thrilling, very thrilling. And so many people there, you suddenly catch faces, you catch eyes, people that you know and you haven't seen for quite a while. And there wasn't too much ribbing going on, or maybe underneath there was, I don't know. But yeah, I was very happy that my sisters were there as well, just as a family, what we represent, and my wife and daughter, and it was all.
Last year, Anthony Boyle won the Rising Star. Tonight, he wins lead actor.
I'm really buzzing, I'm really excited, and it was really special to have my dad here this evening. And just looking down and seeing his wee face, and he was absolutely buzzing. So yeah, it's great. It's great. Very happy.
That gives you a flavour of what's been going on tonight. Well, let's speak to our arts and media correspondent, Evelyn O'Rourke, who's at the awards. Well, Evelyn, take us through all the glitz, the glamour and the gongs.
Listen, all that plus the tears as well. I mean, as you got a sense there, the emotions were running very high tonight. Of course, so much excitement around Jessie Buckley. She had been seen earlier on the red carpet, and then she won the award and came in to talk to us. And I think you saw from her gorgeous answer there what it meant for her. This woman is travelling the world with this roadshow, the circus with Hamlet, but what it meant to her to be here in Ireland with her peers. Equally, Ciarán Hinds, a lot of love and respect in the room for Ciarán Hinds. Anthony Boyle winning there as well. But we've had so many high moments here at the IFTAs tonight. And as they're saying, the big thing about the IFTAs, it's the 23rd year of it, 29 categories tonight, and it's about recognising the older established talent, recognising, celebrating that, but also marking and supporting the emerging artists. So people like Louisa Harland, somebody that people would know so well from roles like Dairy Girls, she won Rising Star this year, and she was in tears here behind me just a few minutes ago, talking about the names, the people who had won that award before her. Even Ciarán Hinds was saying, look, when you look at the people who've won Lifetime Achievement, it is wonderful and lovely to be in their company. So there is a feeling at the moment that, you know, the Irish movie industry is having a bit of a green wave here at home, but internationally. And this really tonight seems like a homecoming for people. They're all busy, they're flying around all their different projects, but there's something so special, they say, about being here in Dublin with their peers, having the crack, having reunions. And I think those speeches, the tears, the emotion, give you a sense of what it means to everybody, both in front of the camera and behind the camera, to be here celebrating and bringing home the precious golden statue. But the nominees, everybody just seems to be having a great time. So yes, the IFTA's 23rd year of it is coming slowly to an end here, but in a way the party is only starting.
Well,
Back to you, Ray.
We won't keep you from it then, Evelyn. Thank you and enjoy your evening there.